Hello out there in YouTube land, Mr. Push and Mr. Push's Custom Garage. I haven't made a video in quite a long time, so this will be the first one in 2014. I want to show you my completed project, which is a rusted Texaco service truck, 1948 Ford F-1. And there she is. Made a railwood push bumper, tire treads on it, chain for pulling people out of ditches and whatnot. See how she's rusted. Weathered the decals, so it's been used a while. She's all dirty. See all the rust it's got on it. Equipment in the back of the bed there. Can, chain. Well, on this side, it's all dirty. Decals. I think she turned out pretty good for my first really weathered, rusty vehicle. Real wooden toolbox in the back. Oil spill back there, you can see it. Dirty inside. Might be a little hard to see, but I got some rips in the seat there. I will be posting pictures of progress shots that I took as I did her. Thank you for the viewing. Hope everybody has a happy new year.